Hi, we are Group 1, presenting our work for the CE421W Transportation Design Project. My name is Jonathan Horst.
My name is Ivan Wyzorek.
And I'm Logan Bailey.
Our project aims to provide a proposal for an interchange connecting State Route 130 and the Pennsylvania Turnpike in Irwin, Pennsylvania, while also addressing local safety, capacity, and geometric deficiencies that would arise in the area with the addition of an interchange. We began with the study of the local area and traffic needs and determined three roadways connecting to State Route 130 would be in need of redesign with the addition of the interchange. Shown in the top left are our two preliminary alternatives that were designed using Civil 3D software showing the redesign of the connecting Nike site, Pleasant Valley, and Sandy Hill roads to accommodate for new traffic concerns and make space for the proposed diamond interchange. Analyses were conducted on each alternative to decide which would be more beneficial to the area. This included preliminary cost and crash estimates, as well as a design consistency analysis using HCS software and environmental impact analysis with help from the Environmental Review Toolkit. So a review of these analyses showed that Alignment 1 lacked in environmental friendliness, but far exceeded Alignment 2 in terms of consistency, crash estimation, and cost, allowing us to move forward with a more in-depth design and evaluation of Alignment 1.
For some of our design controls, we had our design vehicle. We decided to go with the tri-axle single unit truck. We chose this vehicle because there's a landfill just north of our alignments, and the tri-axle would be the largest vehicle to regularly drive on these new roads. We also wanted to account for a 15 to 17% increase in daily traffic due to the new turnpike interchange. These controls led us to choose 12-foot lanes with 6-foot shoulders. We also increased the speed limits of Sandy Hill Road and Pleasant Valley Road to 45 miles per hour and landed on a max super elevation and a max grade of 8%.
For our total cost prediction, we broke it up by categories. And the first was land acquisition, which was cost to acquire the land that we're building on. The second was construction cost, which most of it was excess fill. Miscellaneous costs, such as inspections and other things, and crash costs. And their total came to $2,454,274.29. And using a traffic analysis, we found that we needed signals at both of the intersections along SR 130. Nike Site Road is a three-leg intersection with a dedicated left-hand turn lane on SR 130. And Pleasant and Sandy intersection is a four-leg intersection with dedicated left turn lanes on each leg and right-hand turn lanes along SR 130.
For our pavement design, we decided to go with a flexible pavement with 4-inch depth on each course. The initial cost per square yard came out to $44.80, with an additional $10.34 per square yard after 10 and 15 years for resurfacing. This brought the total cost per square yard to $65.48 over the design life of this project. This is still far less than the rigid pavement option, which would have been a minimum of $100 per square yard.
And our overall recommendation is to continue with alignment 1 due to the benefits that it brings. It also allows for adequate room for the interchange while also improving roadway conditions.